This might be a disaster.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you an ASOS haul. Let's have a little look what I got, shall we? Let's jump on in. It looks like I thought it would. It was in my basket and then I took too long looking at other stuff and it went out my basket. Then it was out of stock and it came back into stock. It feels really nice actually. What's it called? Reckless. I promise to stay wild. Well, my best friend, Gemma, likes to say I'm a bit of a rock star. Don't feel sad, you're a rock star. It says, don't be too reckless, babe. No tag, no return. Oh. It says, she had a certain kind of vibe about her that made everyone want to know her. Just looks badass. I really hope it looks nice. I'm gonna try it on right now. Bodysuits always look super stupid when you hold them up, don't they? They're just ridiculous looking. I don't know if this is gonna be nice. I also really like this kind of pleating, it's not called that. I can't think what it's called. Who cares? This is a thong bottom because I don't know why this might be a disaster. It might not be quite long enough in the body for me, but we'll try it on right now and see, shall we? My liking. I think I realised this last summer and the summer before and the summer before that, but I don't really have many shorts. Because I'm so tall, I find it hard to find shorts that don't just look like pants. Most shorts look like pants to me. I don't mind showing my bum, but I don't want to show my bum all the time, right? You get me? I brought some other Topshop shorts, which were like higher cut, and my ears just flapping all over the place out there. These are mum jeans, like mum style shorts. They look quite big. I'm hoping they're okay. They're an 8. I'm normally an 8 in my hips, but my waist is just ridiculously small. And I know everyone says their waist is ridiculously small, but I'm here. You can see me. Make your own decisions. The reason why I didn't say I'll try those on now is because this is a nightmare. Just don't point it out. I brought some white ones. These ones stitched together though, they're probably not being returned. These have got a nice elasticated waist. I feel like when I was a child, my mum always used to rave about elasticated waists. Probably because it was growing. At least she hoped it would grow that way. I never felt a tendency like that before. That sounds ridiculous. So, I'm now going to try on both of my shorts. And let's see how I get on. I really forgot what I brought. I did remember that I brought this top, but I thought it was a top and not another one of these nice little silly leotards. I just thought that this might go with a lot of stuff. I'm trying to buy items which will go with a lot of things, because I used to buy like one top that I liked and it just wouldn't go with anything, so then I never wear it. I think it might go with quite a lot of things. Let's try it on. Let's see. Sometimes you see something and you're like, that's me. This skirt I saw and I was like, it's ridiculous, but it's me. Oh, I'm holding it back to front. Good job. Never owned an item of vinyl clothing, so I really wanted to. I saw this skirt, it was in sale, and I was like, I'll give it a go. I hope this looks nice because I think this might be a bit edgy and cool. It's going to be very short if it fits. But you know, sometimes it's alright to wear a very short skirt. Let's have a try, shall we? This doesn't really look like the picture. I mean, it obviously is the skirt in the picture. It just looks like some school kids drawn all over it in biro. I'm sorry it does. If I like it when I try it on, Feel free to mock me, ridicule me with that comment, but I'm not sure, ASOS. I'm really not sure. Let's try it and see. What is this? So this is the top. I don't think this is white. No, it is. It's blue. I didn't order blue. I'm sure I didn't order blue. I just don't want it to be blue. Is it blue? It definitely is blue, right? I'm trying to work out if it's just the light, but that skirt's white, so I don't think it's just the light. I wish I ordered the other one. Why did I order the other one? I don't feel like this is disappointment. I don't know. It might be a really nice on. It might. Come on. Let's be open-minded. I've had so many clothes where I've been like, and they look great on. I'm gonna be positive. Let's try it. Let's see. Alright guys, we're on to item number 9, I think. If it is number 9, then I've ordered 10 exactly items. Which makes me kind of happy in a bit of an OCD way. So, let's get on. Oh, it's a tall one. Hurrah! So it's either going to fit really well or not. I like this colour, mustard. I don't know if mustard. Is mustard still in the season? I think it is. Right? I don't think these are real pockets. No. Fake news. Let's have a look and see. Because of the whole foot situation, I've had to give up my beloved heels, which I'm kind of struggling with. I feel great wearing my heels. I love the noise they make. I love how great they make me feel. It sounds ridiculous, whatever, but they did. I loved wearing them. I always felt more confident wearing my heeled boots and things, which is weird because as a 5'11" person, obviously in like 3-inch heels, I'm tall. I'm a very tall person. And I used to be very self-conscious about that. But I kind of got over it last year, and with that came this newfound confidence. So now I'm stuck wearing flats, and to be honest with you, luckily now I can wear trainers. At the beginning of this, I can wear any shoes. Then I could wear sandals. Well, then I could wear this weird boot thing. Then I could wear sandals, and now I can wear trainers. So, I never thought I'd say this. I'm going to become a trainer person, everyone. And luckily, trainers are kind of cool now, so got myself some Reeboks. I was looking through all the trainers, and I was like, I used to have some trainers like that when I was a kid. My mum used to buy me good footwear, right? Not the cool stuff. She used to buy me good footwear. She used to buy me good trainers and good sandals. So like, good walking trainers? Well, they're everywhere now. I remember getting bullied for wearing the sort of walking sandals that people are going mad for now. Also remember getting teased for wearing Reebok trainers that people are going mad for now. So, it's so weird. I can't believe I bought Reebok trainers. What a nerd. They look alright, I like them. I really wanted some white trainers with a bit of green on, because, I don't know, they seem kind of cool to me. Because I'm a follower of fashion, everyone. I'm quite excited to expand my trainer collection. I never thought I'd be a trainer person, and I've kind of been forced into it. I think earlier in the year, even in winter, I said to my partner, I'm gonna have to get some nice high heels for the summer. Yeah, messed myself over on that one. I'm gonna keep them very clean. See how long that lasts as well. Look what just happened. Let me know in the description. No, I write that. There you go, everyone. That was my ASOS haul. Let me know in the comments down below what you loved, what you hated, anything I should keep my eye out for. And most importantly, to me, if you want to make me happy, hit that subscribe button. You genuinely will make me happy. I'm really trying, so come along with me on that journey. It'll be nice. And if you've got a channel, I'll follow you. It's nice to see what other people are doing. I really want to talk to people, get to know people. That'd be pretty cool too. So yeah, until my next video, take care everyone. Keep on buying some bits and bobs, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.